take him here. Do you want to try it?
Which one?
You're Miles in this situation. I'm not gonna let you suplex me.
So you want me to take a suplex?
Yeah.
All right. Okay.
You took a spear from Braun Breaker.
Yeah, I was in a moment, though. This is like...
It's different now, ain't it?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, very different. Relax.
Yeah.
No one's landing on the back.
I got it.
So I'm gonna kick you in the belly. What are you doing?
Now, come on, like, you know I got PTSD. Like, you did the same move on me, and I was winded.
Gotta have PTSD. Here, come here. You trust me? Come here.
Yeah, I trust you.
Come here. Breathe.
I'm breathing.
No, you're not. You're tense as hell.
I don't want to do this. I don't at all.
Breathe.
I'm breathing. But I want to show Randy that I got what it takes to be a pro wrestler.
Don't move on me.
Okay, I won't.
Sell for me, though.
I will.
All right. Don't move. Don't move until I kick you.
Oh, fuck!
See, I like that sell.
Oh.
Get one right there.
Oh.
Stop on it. You're not gonna feel it. Here we go. Here we go. We're taking the bump now. We're taking the bump. Nice and easy. 1, 2, go.
Oh my God.
We're working.
Oh.
Spread eagle.
Oh God. Oh my.
That's not a thing, but. Did I really get you? All right, come on. Stand up, stand up. Dude. That was really good.
No, the only part that hurt was the suplex.
This hurts.
It does.
Speed has shown Randy that he can execute a big bump, sell it, and take the pain. But I have a feeling Randy's not done with him yet.
I was wondering, and this is only if you're okay with it, would you be okay with me giving you a chair shot to the back? Look at me now.
Yo.
I just gave you a suplex and I got you to trust me, right? I landed you flat?
Yes, you did.
But listen, you can say no. I mean, if you're
No, I can't say no. You know this is Speed Goes Pro. You know they gonna put this in the video, and so it's like I'm forced to say yes, man.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Getting hit with the chair is like a prerequisite for being a WWE superstar. If he's gonna become a WWE superstar in 2 days, kid's gotta take a chair shot.
That's a real chair, bro.
If I was taking a chair shot, I'm bare-skinned when I'm getting hit with the chair. I'll let you keep your shirt on. Unless you don't want to be a
All right.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, man.
Oh my God, I'm about to regret this so bad. Like, you ever like know when you're about to regret something and you're about to do it? Like, I know I'm about to regret this as soon as it happened. So you want me to hit, and just stand right there like that?
Just like that. I'm gonna let you get here and make sure you're set and you're not moving around on me.
Okay. Sometimes in life you just gotta do it. Damn, but I don't want to do it.
And if you're right there, you're good. And then I'm coming right here with that bad boy. It's gonna suck.
I'm about to get hit with a chair on my back.
You ready?
I'm ready.
All right, yeah, dude. That wasn't too bad. We keep the elbows out. You're selling, right?
Yeah.
Yes! Yes! I thought for a hot second, is he okay? And he was. That sucked, right?
Yeah, it sucked.
But it's all right.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
I don't do that, but yeah.
So he's not only taking a chair shot, going through the physicality of what we do.